Hello guys, it's Paulo Bridge, RP9ers here in Singapore. So now our topic is, let's talk about how if you fail the probation period, like your employer didn't confirm you after 6 months. So what will happen? So before that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Okay, yes, I've been receiving a lot of message that, not a lot, but I've been receiving some message that they're asking that what will they will do if they failed the probation period and they wanted to look for another employer. So my answer is for that is it's quite difficult to find a new employer if you already failed your probation period. So because the logic with that is why they will hire you if you cannot cope already with your current employer, right? So I think my tips is, if your manager already tell you that example in the midway of your probation period, like example it's 3 months already, you need to inform you talk to your manager. Am I doing well? Am I coping? What do I need to improve? So at least you know your pathway already, if you're going to pass your probation period or not, because usually they have this. So I'm not sure with other company if they are doing this, like they cannot just anyhow fail you, right? Like after 6 months, surprise, you failed your probation period. So for yourself, you have to have initiative lah. You need to ask. But actually there's other way you can ask them. Either they downgrade you, example from RN to EN, or extend your probation. So this is the thing that I can suggest. But it's case to case basis also if they will agree, because they will see also your attitude, your how you perform. Even you're not performing well, but you are really keen to learn, so they might extend you. So I think that's the tips that I can give. But if example really they don't want you to be confirmed, for you to be transferred is really difficult. But they can try, but I'm not sure if there's any success story that they can manage to go to other company even they failed their probation period as a registered nurse or enrolled nurse. So maybe you can approach also agency. I think that's it. That's the only suggestion now that I can give if they really don't want you to fail. So I cannot comment much about this because sometimes there's always two stories, right? The side of the one who failed the probation and the employer itself. So I don't know who did wrong, because sometimes as a new staff we need to reflect also. We need to reflect to ourselves, but also the employer also. I'm not saying yes, maybe some, or I don't know, I don't want to say. I need to be safe also, right? I hope they are not that so nasty, right, to their employee. And the new staff, they will keep complaining that the way they teach, their teacher or the preceptor is quite rude. They expect that they can cope within 6 months. They think that they are, don't have this. So these are the complaints. So but I cannot always side on those who cannot pass the probation, right? So yep, there's always two sides of story. And for this one, I'm addressing the question to those who cannot pass the probation period. So just think of, if really cannot, this experience preparing you for something, or there's another door will open for better future. So I guess that's it. I hope you've learned something again from my content. Bye bye.